So first one is talk to your customers. It's very important to understand how they value you, how they're thinking about your value, your good, your service, etc. You're a small business, it should be easy to have those conversations. If you need help figuring out what questions to ask them when it comes to pricing, our pricing playbook is free. It's at playbook.decisionalpha.co. You can download that. It will have some scripts you can use. The second thing is to really think about if you feel like you are earning the same amount every year, your margins really haven't changed, or you're struggling and you're kind of constantly struggling with your revenue or your margins, it's important to think about how do I differentiate myself enough that I can charge at a different rate from other people. And as I've said, there's lots of different ways to differentiate yourself, but differentiation is very important because it's what not only then allows you to set a higher standard for your pricing, but then it's what keeps people coming back to you and working with you because they identify with you in some ways. So think about how do I differentiate my business? Super important. And then the third thing is if you're thinking and working through, do I want to raise my prices? Is it time? I don't know. She said 18 months. Is it 18 months? I don't. If you're working through that in your mind, Fred.decisionalpha.co can help you kind of figure that out. It's pay whatever you want, but it's a really good tool for you to kind of interactively ask it questions, get some insights back to help you figure out, is this a good time to change anything about my pricing? And if I do want to change anything about my pricing, what should I start with, right? It breaks it down into like a systematic, do this first, then that, then the other thing over a couple of weeks for you. So you're not inundated with where do I even start from? So those three things should help you get started with understanding what do I do to get better pricing for my business.